What kind of job do you want to do when you grow up?
I want to be a painter when I grow up.
My dream is to become a police officer.
I want to become an excellent doctor.
I want to be an honorable firefighter in the future.
I want to become a judge in the future.
I want to be an astronaut.
Got my kid this over break. The Career Dreamers Magnetic Dress-Up Set. Magnetic design, quick outfit changes, teaches kids about different jobs and their uniforms. Let them explore career dreams, great for parent-child time. Use the career cards to match outfits from the set. Dress the doll in work clothes. Draw a random card. See who names the job fastest and correctly. Lots of fun ways to play. Learning while playing, so much fun, right? From R&D to production, we control every step internally. We are the factory behind your brands. Verified quality, mature processes, safe materials, and no compromise. We offer flexible OEM and ODM and full product copyright sales. Same quality gives you better margins. Same price gives you peace of mind and word-free after sales. So what are you waiting for? Career Dreamer isn't just another toy. It's a child's first step into the world of careers. One product to play scenes, 3 core ways to play. Get in touch today. Great products moving fast. Let Career Dreamer be your next bestseller.